So are you needing to get organized? You don't have a ton of time on your hands? Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a couple organizing hacks that you can implement into your own home, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm Lindsay with Organize to Save, and on my channel, I'm here to help get you organized. So if you are needing some organization help on a budget, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any other organizing hacks. So you're short on time, but you need to get organized. Well, today I'm going to walk you through how I helped my mom organize a spare room closet in her house and give you a couple quick hacks that you can implement into your own home. Number one, relocate. If something isn't working where it's at, then go ahead and move it. In my mom's laundry room, they had all of their spare coats in a closet in there. We actually transformed into a Costco corner. So we just took all of those coats and moved them into one of their spare room closets, and now both spaces are functioning so much better for them just by simply relocating the coats from one spot to another. So don't be afraid to move things around. Number two, store items inside of each other. When we were reworking this laundry room space in my mom's house to a command center, we needed to find a different home for all of her purses. We wanted to come up with a better storage solution for all of her purses. The first thing that we did was we cleared them all out and started sorting everything. What we did was we sorted them by likeness. So like all of her travel purses we put together. And then once we had our categories, we actually started putting the purses inside of each other. So for example, all of her travel items, we put all of those bags inside of one larger travel bag. So now, next time she needs to go on a trip, she can just pull down that travel bag and pick what she wants out of it. By storing items inside of each other, it not only saves on space, but it also makes it so much easier to find what you're looking for. Hack is not only awesome for purses and travel bags, but it's amazing for gift bags. My mom really needed a better storage solution for all of her gift bags, so what I did was I just, again, sorted by category, so put all of like the birthday stuff together, the Christmas stuff together, and then just grouped them all together by category. So now when Christmas time comes around, she can simply just take out the Christmas bag and she has all of her gift wrapped ready to go. Number three, use bins and baskets. It can be amazing for all different types of organizing styles. The beauty of a basket is that if you're one that needs more of a macro organizing system, so not very detailed, you like to just kind of dump and go, bins are going to be awesome for you because you can just simply put a label on the outside of it and you'll know exactly what's in it. Don't need to have it super detailed, organized inside of it. Now, bins are also great if you do like the detailed. For example, with all my mom's clutches, we filed them inside of the bin so that way from an overhead view, you can easily see what's inside of them and grab the one that you need. Now, if you do better with being able to see inside of the bin, I would suggest you get a clear bin. Now, for example, all of my mom's gift wrap, she needed to be able to keep it in a bin, but since she was storing it on a very top shelf, she really couldn't put it in a solid color bin with a label on it because she wouldn't be able to read it and would forget that it's up there. So we opted to put it in a clear bin, that way she can easily identify from looking up what is inside of it. Number four, give everything a home. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you one that likes to save tissue paper? My mom and I both like to save our tissue paper because if it's not all ripped up, you can use it for a future gift. So one great way that we like to make sure that all of her tissue paper had a proper home was by using an accordion file folder. These are amazing because one, you can sort everything out by color. So it's gonna be super easy to find what you're looking for. But two, it's also gonna keep it safe and protected because it's nice and folded up and in the accordion file folder. So make sure that you give all of those loose items like tissue paper a proper home. Number five, color coding. It is one of my all-time favorite solutions because it can make it so easy to find what you're looking for. Now in my mom's closet, she had a ton of books. This is where they store pretty much all of their books in their house, which she gave them all a home. But we needed to just make it a little more aesthetically pleasing. And one way that I love to do that is by color coding. So I just took all of her books and arranged them by color. It made such a huge difference in that closet. Along with color coding books, I also love color coding clothes. If you missed my closet KonMari video, you're gonna wanna go check it out. You know, for me personally, when things are visually appealing, it makes me feel less stressed and so much calmer. What about you? Let me know in the comments down below. So if you wanna see how I color coded my closet, make sure you check out the video on your screen right now, and we'll catch you guys next time.